Good morning there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Welcome to the Monday Morning Update Show. Today's date is July 2nd, 2018. Okay, guys, first of all, I want to wish everyone a happy 4th of July, because before I get a chance to talk to you again, we'll have our nation's Independence Day. We'll be on Wednesday, and I hope everyone out there has a wonderful 4th of July, okay? Now, hopefully, I will see you on Thursday night. I will definitely be there for the live show, and I invite each and every one of you to come out there and join us Thursday night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for our 30-minute live show. Okay, so now, guys, a couple things to talk about. Over the weekend, we did work on our job site, okay, me and Nathaniel. He come with me and got a chance to earn a little bit of money for himself. And we made 3 videos while we were there, and those videos will be releasing during the week here. We'll probably release one of them today along with this one, and we'll have some videos to release during the week. I'm reading my notes off a piece of wood here. You can tell I have some carpenter blood in me, right? We are currently definitely on Instagram, and we'll start putting those links down below along with our other social media things that we do. We're also on Blogger as well, and I've been on there for several years. I've got a little bit of info on there, but I don't really talk about it, so I'm going to start putting those links down below if you want to go over and check it out. And I will also maybe might motivate me to start putting more information on my Blogger, okay? Also, the Leabo toothbrush review, we will be wrapping that up toward the end of the week. And that video should release Friday, maybe Saturday, okay? Sometime over the weekend, we'll get that released. Also, we have a physical address now, okay? And I'll put that link down below if you would like to send us something. If there's something you want to send us, a t-shirt, a hat, or whatever, or if you have a company and you want to send us a product for us to review, our new physical address will actually be in the description of every video from here on out, okay? And guys, that's about all I really have to talk about this morning. I appreciate you stopping by and checking out our little update video. Stay tuned. There'll be some videos releasing all during the week, and I hope to see each and every one of you on Thursday night for our live show. All right, have a great week, and get out there and make it happen.